Yo guys, what is going on? Today is a super quick video. I just want to hop on here real quick and randomly upload because we discovered something that is game changing for us and we want to share it with you. So here we go. So up until last week, pretty much, the first week of November, we were running straight email campaigns. We barely paid any attention to SMS. All we were doing was running like the basic automations, right? For abandoned cart and all that kind of stuff. But we were never really running campaigns for SMS, and we realized that and we were like, damn, what are we doing? Our automations are making us so much money from SMS. I'm sure our campaigns will too. It was Halloween and we launched an email campaign and also an SMS campaign. We have been running email campaigns for months on end and sending out emails to all of our subscribers every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to anyone that's bought our products. And the open rates were always good. We always got 20-30% open rates and it's going well. And now and then we'd get a couple orders, place order rate of around like 1-2%. It's whatever. It pays for the Klaviyo plan and you still have some extra money left over. It's nice, it's cool. But we realized, damn, SMS is so much more higher intent, and it sucks that not everyone signs up for SMS offers when they're checking out, or else we could actually send them messages. And then we realized, wait a second, aren't there apps that collect phone numbers for us? I'm sure there is. Like, there has to be some that collect emails, so I'm sure there's some that also collect numbers. And we came to the perfect solution that Willio was the best app to use. A lot of people might be watching this and laughing, saying, wow, Willio's a scam, it looks so scammy. But in reality, it's not at all if you do it right. I can throw up a few examples of what we've done, like a very similar version of it. But essentially, Willio was game changing for us for this one reason. I want to share it with you so that you can try it ASAP because it's extremely worth it. You're going to have a much higher ROI with SMS and it's really easy to get numbers. So assuming that you already have SMS bump set up, that's great. Basically, whenever someone's checking out now, they see the option to sign up for offers or not. If they choose not to, you can't send them texts up until now. Because now, when people first visit your site, even if they don't add to cart, as long as they're on your site for, let's just say, 10 seconds, you can show them the Willio pop-up, and you can say, hey, instead of entering your email, never mind that, cancel that, enter your phone number, and you can spin the wheel to win a discount or whatever. It doesn't matter what the discount is, you guys can do whatever you want there. I think we have it rigged, where it's like, number one, when the Willio pops out, have all of the offers that you're not going to offer, like 75% off, like half off, all that stuff, have that display so that they see it. And then have them enter their phone number, and when they click spin, have it rigged so that the gravity is like 80% for like a 5% discount code and the other 20% for like 10% off. If you do that, you're gonna have a conversion rate that's very good. It should be somewhere between, it should start at least 15. Anywhere above that is really good. The best part of it all is that it integrates with SMS bump. So all you have to do is get your API key, plug it into Willio, and it's going to sync all the people that entered their numbers and spin the wheel to your SMS list that you can then send campaigns to. The only downside to SMS versus Klaviyo is that with SMS, it costs a lot more to send a campaign to 500 people versus Klaviyo. Klaviyo, you pay on a monthly basis, and you pretty much send unlimited emails as long as like your list is in that certain segment of people that you're paying for. With SMS, you kind of pay per campaign, kind of like a Facebook ad. You're paying per campaign. So you have to like deposit money into like your SMS account, and then once you schedule a campaign, and it's really quick and easy to do. It takes like 2 minutes. You go, hey, early, like here's a great example that we're actually doing very soon. We're gonna say, hey, it's site name, reaching out to you, reminding you that early Black Friday sales are on. Use code BlackFriday15 for half off or whatever, 15% off. Boom. They're going to open that. The open rates are going to go through the roof. We actually did this for Halloween. So back to the original story. On Halloween, we launched our first ever text campaign saying, here's Halloween 15 discount code. And our ROAS, maybe I'll throw a screenshot up, our ROI was actually 20, not 2, 20. And so that was fantastic. We realized that it's going very well. So we said, you know what? Screw emails. We already have a couple thousand emails. Let's focus on text. Let's get text going. Let's get all the numbers we can. So now, in a matter of like 3 or 4 days, with just like a few regular days of traffic, plus going viral on TikTok, we've had a lot of traffic coming to our site. So now in the past 3 days, we actually went viral again on TikTok, like always. Our brand's constantly going viral on TikTok, and so we have tons of traffic coming in. But if you're scaling a brand, doing 5K a day, or even if you're brand new, have a smaller site, it doesn't matter. Get the Willio set up with the phone number option only, and as your traffic comes in, if you have the proper Willio segment, they're going to enter their number, and then you can send them offers for life. It's game changing. That's literally all I wanted to say in this video. It's super quick. It's a quick watch. I know a lot of you click because it's quick, and that's great. We usually post every Tuesday and Friday on this channel, so if you found value in this video and if you plan on doing this strategy I just showed you, let me know in the comments below and subscribe. And if you want, you can join our Discord server as well. That's totally up to you. It's really cool, really fun. A lot more people are actually starting to join it and talk and interact. You can be the next person. Doesn't matter. Links below. And yeah, guys, best of luck for the rest of your Q4, and I hope you apply this. Stay tuned. Peace.